Hello, English language activity class, presentation topic verb. Contents of the presentation. This presentation consists of an overview of the following concepts: parts of speech, verb meaning, types of verbs, properties of verbs, verbals. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Verb is a word that states something about the subject of a sentence. Verb is a word that indicates an action or a state of being. Examples: the student writes stories. The word writes is a verb. Rima is a writer. The word is a verb. He thought of a plan. The word thought is a verb. Types of verbs: linking verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, auxiliary verb, modals or modal verbs. Linking verb connects the subject of a sentence to the subject complement, predicate noun or predicate adjective. Examples: he is a teacher. The word is a verb. They seem happy. The word seem is a verb. Transitive verb. Transitive verb requires an object. The action indicated by the verb passes from the subject of a sentence to an object. Examples of transitive verb: the girl sang a song. In this sentence, the word girl is the subject, the word song is the object, and the word sang is a verb. He bought a car. In this sentence, the word he is the subject, the word car is the object, and the word bought is a verb. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb does not require an object. The action indicated by the verb does not pass from the subject of a sentence to an object. Examples of intransitive verb: she sang well. The word sang is a verb. He laughed loudly. The word laugh is a verb. Auxiliary verb or helping verb. Auxiliary verb helps another verb. Auxiliary verb is used with the main verb. Examples of auxiliary verbs are the forms of be, have, and do. Auxiliary verb may be used to indicate the verb's tense, form questions, or form negatives. Examples: the students were studying in the classroom. The word were is a helping verb. He is reading a book. The word is a helping verb. Modals or modal verb. Modals are called modal auxiliaries. Modals are used with other verbs. They denote possibility, ability, certainty, permission, and obligation. Examples: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. He can speak fluently. The word can is a modal verb. It may rain. The word may is a modal verb. You should take care of your health. The word should is a modal verb. Voice. Active voice. A sentence is an active voice when the subject acts or does something. Example: the girl sang the song. The word girl is the subject. The word sang is a verb. Passive voice. A sentence is in passive voice when the subject receives an action. Example: the song was sung by the girl. The word song is the subject. The word was is a helping verb. The word sung is a verb. Mood. Mood is the manner in which a verb expresses an action or state of being. The moods of verb are as follows: indicative mood, imperative mood, subjunctive mood. Person. The three persons of verbs are as follows: first person, second person, third person. Number. A verb may be singular or plural in number. Tense. Tense denotes time. Tense indicates whether an action or state of being indicated by a verb occurred in the present, past or future time. Verbals. Verbals are formed from verbs. Verbals are used as different parts of speech. Verbals may function as nouns, adjectives or adverbs. There are three types of verbals. They are as follows: infinitive, participle, gerund. Note, words are classified as parts of speech based on their work or function in a sentence. A word may function or work as different parts of speech in different sentences. Thank you.